Santa Barbara County Environmental Health Services is reminding residents about the potential health risks from stormwater runoff at local beaches. KSB1 News reporter Delaney White has more on what the guidance means for surfers.
Santa Barbara County Environmental Health Services says coming into contact with stormwater while swimming or surfing may increase the risk for certain types of illnesses such as ear infections, vomiting, and rashes. After a rainy winter that washed a buildup of debris into the Pacific, it's no surprise some surfers on the Central Coast have reported getting sick after getting in the water. Santa Barbara County Environmental Health Services, a branch of the Public Health Department, sent out a reminder for residents after the most recent rainfall on Tuesday. The reminder states coming into contact with stormwater can cause certain illnesses in swimmers and surfers.
That's concerning. I'd want to know more about it. I don't know too much about it, but that I could see potential cause for concern.
The San Luis Obispo County Public Health Department advises the public to avoid contact with ocean water during and at least 3 days following a significant rainstorm. The most recent rainfall on Tuesday did not meet the threshold for a significant rain event. However, the Public Health Department says any amount of rain can transport harmful substances into the ocean.
Get kind of either a nasally thing, or sometimes it'll get in your ears and could give you like an ear infection type of thing also.
Mike Jones surfs in Morro Bay and says he's been impacted by runoff in the water before. The Public Health Department also mentioned water at some of the local beaches is brown in color, indicating the presence of marine organisms, including algae, that can also have negative effects on health.
I did surf after the last rains a little bit, and you feel a little bit congested and so not like sick, but just where you're like, there's something in there that's not supposed to be there.
His rule of thumb is simple.
Maybe like right after a rain, like I'll try to stay out of the water for a day or two to let it get diluted a little bit.
The Public Health Department tells us rainstorm runoff is known to transport high levels of bacteria and viruses into the ocean from urban areas. And they say young children, older adults, and those with compromised immune systems are particularly vulnerable. Reporting in the studio, Delaney White, KSBY News.
If you have come into contact with ocean water following a rainstorm and are experiencing symptoms, the Public Health Department recommends you monitor your symptoms and contact your doctor if they persist.